Hello and welcome to Gapeys Garden. Today we are going to be trying out another one of Aquor's products here. If you missed it, a couple months ago we posted a video installing their ground hydrant, which we have right behind me. I'll put a link up here and also at the end of the video and in the description, just in case you missed that video. But today we're going to be trying out their hose reel. So this is a retractable hose reel. As you can see, we do have this hose reel here from Draft Tools that we installed several years ago, and unfortunately it's not working quite right anymore. There's this plastic thing here in the middle that's supposed to go back and forth when you pull out the hose and put it back in. Unfortunately, it doesn't move anymore, so it's really difficult to get the hose out. It's really not very convenient, so we decided to try out Aquor's. And I did reach out to Aquor myself to see if they'd be willing to partner with me on some videos if they sent me some products, and luckily they said yes. So let's go ahead and get this installed, but we're gonna have to remove this reel first, as well as the mounting bracket here, because pretty much every hose reel that you buy comes with its own brackets that need to work with that reel. So we've got this 4x4 post here dug pretty deep in the ground, so it's nice and sturdy, and we're just gonna remove these and put in the new ones. So here's the bracket for the new hose reel, and there's the holes from the old one. You can see the holes on the new bracket are much closer together than the previous one, so we'll definitely need to drill some new holes in our post. Here's the instruction manual, and it says to install it within 5 feet of your hose bib and at least 35 inches above the ground. And you can see here we've got our Aquor in-ground hydrant there, so it is very close to our post, so we should be good there. Now for our mounting holes, you can drill into hardwood or masonry. We're using hardwood, so it suggests using a 3/16 inch drill bit, and for masonry, 3/8 inch. Here's the hardware packet that it came with. We've got some anchors. Those are used for the masonry install, which we won't be using, and we've got some screws and washers. One nice feature is it does swivel 180 degrees, and it's available in 2 color options. This is the charcoal. They also have a sand version. I believe there's only one option for hose, and it's 80 feet and it's a 5/8 inch hose. This combination is currently priced at $200, and they also have a kit where you can get a nozzle for just an extra, I believe it's $12 right now, which is on sale 10% off. But if you want to buy them separately, this is priced at $35. Both the nozzle and the hose reel come with a 5-year warranty, which is really great. We've had some hose reels that did not last very long, so we're hoping this one will last quite a while. I gotta say, the Aquor ground hydrant is really convenient, and it's nice that it's super leak-proof. Couple of different ways you can adjust the flow on the nozzle. There is a flow rate knob here on the top, so that is the lowest rate, and then you can go to the highest. You can also control the width of the stream by turning the end of the nozzle. So that's about as wide as it goes, and then you can go really narrow. This rotates without unscrewing it from the hose, which is really nice. And then there's also a little hook here on the bottom where you can lock the nozzle open, so you can let go and it'll still go. It's also very comfortable to hold too. To reel the hose back in, just give it a little pull till you hear a click. Then you can let it go back in. Make sure you keep your hands on the hose, because if you let go, it'll go super fast and could damage the reel. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Aquor hose reel and nozzle. I forgot to mention you can also get a cover for the hose reel. I don't have that, but you can buy that separately. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.